Hi guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Forms for online registration. Once you're on the Google Forms dashboard, you can either choose a template or click on Template Gallery at the top to see more options. But for this tutorial, we'll create a form from scratch, so let's click on Blank. The first thing we'll do is give our form a title. I already have one saved, so I'll just copy it and paste it here. Next, let's add a form description at the bottom. I'll copy the description text from my document and paste it into the description field. Now let's add our first question. I'll go back to my document and copy full name, then paste it here. You'll notice that the question type automatically changes to short answer, but you can always select a different type from the dropdown. On the right, you can add an image, duplicate a question, delete it, make it required, or access more options. Let's add another question by clicking on the plus icon on the right. I'll copy mobile phone number and paste it in. Once again, it's automatically set to short answer. You can drag and drop questions to move them up or down. I'll speed up the process and add a few more questions. For the question, are you a content creator? I'll add the options yes and no. It automatically becomes a multiple choice question. Now let's add a new section by clicking on the Add Section icon. I'll copy my section title from the document and paste it in. You can also add a short description if needed. I'll quickly add the remaining questions for this section, mostly short answer and multiple choice types. Next, we'll set up the navigation logic. Click on the Are you a content creator question, then open the three-dot menu and select Go to Section based on answer. For yes, choose Go to Section 2, and for no, choose Submit Form. Now let's customize our form. Click the palette icon at the top. Here you can change fonts, colors, and even add a header image. I'll choose one from the built-in categories, click Insert, and you'll see the theme automatically adjust to match the image colors. Next, click on the Settings tab. Here you can collect email addresses automatically, turn your form into a quiz, enable a progress bar, and set default options like making questions required by default. Once you're ready, click Send to share your form. You can send it by email, via a link, embed it on a website, or share it on social media. Before sending, you can preview it by clicking the eye icon. Let's do that. Here's our form. You can test it out. Notice the progress bar at the bottom. If I select yes, it takes me to section 2. If I go back and select no, it goes straight to the submit screen. That's how the Go To section based on answer feature works. Once you submit the form, go to the Responses tab to see all the collected data. You can also create a spreadsheet by clicking the Sheets icon, give it a name, and click Create. That'll generate a Google Sheet with all your form responses. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.